All right, I want to do just a quick welding review on 3 different helmets. This is the Viking 1740 by Lincoln. It's got a nice purple thing on it because I gave this one away at this point, and it's no longer mine. But this helmet, I used it before school, during school, and it's a great helmet. Is the viewing windows big? Nope, like 2x4. Is the color great? Nope, but it'll get you through school. It'll get the job done. It's a great beginner's mask. The welding color is okay. It's a quite wide and deep helmet. Um, it triggers real bad on outside if you're doing fencing or any jobs outside. If you're in a shop and you're just starting out, 1740 by Lincoln, great mask. But at that point, I wanted to upgrade to what everybody said was good. The ESAB A60. I was somebody who, I guess, pre-ordered this when they were coming out with it. So I got it when they first came out with it. I have used the living breaks off of this. The viewing window on the inside has all kinds of buttons that you can change. Viewing window is pretty big. Color, pretty phenomenal. It changes a little bit of hue depending on whether you have the yellow lens or the clear lens on there. If I'm doing stainless with it, I like the yellow lens. It helps a little bit with flashing because stainless is a lot brighter when you're TIG welding it. You can get these back covers off Amazon for cheap, 10-20 bucks. Great helmet. I probably used this one for at least 3 years, and then I wanted to know what all the hype was about, so I switched again. I'm sure some of you guys know what this one is. It's got that beautiful gold color. It's made by Pipeliner's Cloud. It's got the flip up. It's the carbon fiber with leather, chop bottom, chop top. It is light. It's very light. Honestly, when I got the box in the mail, I thought that somebody took the mask out of it and taped it back up because the box was so light. Then I remembered it's carbon fiber. Helmet was in there. I've used it. Amazing color compared to the A60. A60 is still phenomenal, but if I had to do it over again, I probably would have bought this one. If you don't have a budget, buy both, try both. The A60 is great for inside MIG and stuff like that. This is great for outside. The only issue I had is I accidentally bought the wrong lens. I bought their regular $50 auto darkening. I think it's Eagle Vision. Their Eagle Vision lens. Phenomenal color. But here's the problem. If you're a little smarter than me and you scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, it has this breakdown of all their lenses. And the $119 lens says does not flash a lot when you're TIG welding. This one happens to say, warning, this flashes a lot when you're TIG welding. Well, I do a lot of TIG welding, and I learned very fast that this lens is not for TIG welding, like they already tell you, but I didn't read. So don't make the mistake like I did. Go online, read their chart when you're picking a mask. The only complaint that I have is that this big cup for the back of your head, I don't got no hair. I shave my head. I don't like catching on fire. And it's a little uncomfortable, so I'm going to see if they sell like a pad or something for that. And of course, we all know for the front pad, you can order hundreds of different styles for that, so I will be doing that. And from now on, this will be my go-to mask. We're already waiting for their purple version of this to come out, so I can order another one of it because she's wanting to retire this mask now. Great mask. Viewing window is small, 2x4, 4.25. But I tell you what, on the A60, the viewing window is huge, and you don't even look at a weld that's 6 inches wide. Your welding is usually like this. So this one, I see everything I need to see. I don't know why I was thinking I needed a bigger viewing window. Go online, check out Pipeliner's Cloud. I still have to order a Pipeliner Cloud umbrella. I keep forgetting to. Colors are phenomenal. If your budget's not that high, they have cheaper options that they do the same thing. They might not look as cool, but they'll be just as cool as far as looking through their lenses. Make sure you order the lens that works for you.